Oh, hi there. I don't know if I'm supposed to say stuff like welcome back to my channel because I'm pretty clueless about what I'm doing myself. I don't know if this will, I'll be able to carry this on for much longer. But anyway, here's a slowed down time lapse of a sunset picture I made, and I would like to call it Hawaii sunset. I don't know, you can just drop some cool names for the picture here, you can see in the comments. So I chose this blue lilac hue as my background, on top of which I'm going to start painting the clouds. And hey, cotton candy clouds. So I'll start with like various colors of pink, and I'm using the cloud brush for making all of the clouds. You can see I started with dark pinks and light pinks on the top of it, and orange clouds at the bottom. So you can see there's like a fire blast, a sun blast, a sun ray blast. So I'll just keep deepening the colors and the clouds. So the upper part is pretty fluffy, and the second layer, you can see it's like the clouds are like pretty streakish, like in streaks. So I try to show the same thing in the picture, and keep adding. And there's a reference picture in the corner, so you can see what I'm making here. You can see the painting coming alive. Is it alive? Okay, so yeah, deepening all the colors, more yellows and oranges. Just love the sunset so much, this picture, because there's so many colors and it's just so beautiful. And then I'll start painting the ocean. I chose a dark mauve purple color, and I had to experiment a lot because I wanted to create that glitterish the ocean thing, but I failed. Okay, if you guys have any cooler ideas on how to paint a ocean, you can just let me know. And then at the end, I painted the silhouettes of the palm trees. Are those palm trees? Anyway, please like and subscribe. For now, I'm clueless, but thank you.